What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of SC Outdoors. Today is going to be a miserable rainy day. The rain's supposed to be off and on. It's not raining right now, but it was the whole way down here. The stream looks nice though, which is good. I'm on a decent sized stream here in Maryland. I was looking around weather-wise. This area seemed to be the best of a bad situation. It's supposed to rain everywhere. But it looks like it'll be a little bit more off and on here, so it might be a little bit more doable. We'll see how it goes. I'm going to start using this little mop fly that I used yesterday to catch a bunch of fish in a smaller stream. Hopefully it works here today. I do have a bigger one too I might try out since it's bigger water. But we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. Hopefully it's a good episode. Ooh, just got bit. Saw him bite it. It was a small fish, whatever it was. I did catch a shiner earlier off camera, but I just tied on this larger mop fly just to see how that would go. The little one really wasn't doing much. And it's pretty quick water, so I figured larger might be better. So we'll see. There we go. Ah, man. Come on. Missing fish left and right. That one looked like it could have been a trout. Something bit it right there. I don't know, I think it's a lot of fall fish. Fall fish, creek chubs, etc. Ah, that's a fall fish. And he ate that like it was a trout. Thought for sure I had my first trout of the day. Oh, there he goes. This thing's working. I mean, it's getting a lot of bites. Just can't get any trout. There we go. A folly. Oh gosh. Well, another fall fish. Oh, sorry, buddy. There he goes. I think I'm about done with this spot, guys. Tons of fall fish. I mean, that's got to be like 8th or 9th. I haven't seen for sure a trout yet. I'm gonna finish up this hole, I think, and then I might be moving on. All right, guys, stream number 2. Still keeping with the mop fly since it works so well with the follies. I'm hoping that trout here will bite. This is a wild trout stream. It's an approved trout water as well. Open year round. It hasn't been stocked yet, so any stockies we get will be holdovers or from a different section of the stream, I guess. But yeah, we'll see. See if we can knock out some trout here. There we go. Man. Shiner. These fish. Can catch everything but a trout today, it seems like. Well, they're kind of pretty at the very least. Guys, I wasn't recording. It was such a cool take too. But we got our first trout of the day. Beautiful wild brown. Got him right underneath that stump there. I was really proud of that cast. Wish I had that on camera. But he hit it almost as soon as that dropped down in. But feels good to get the first trout here. That was cool. Hope you guys saw that. I was done with the drift. I was pulling it up, just hung it up there because every now and then a fish has come up when it's on top, and he came up and hit it. Very cool. There we go. Solid wild brown. That was such a cool take. All right, guys, I am wrapping it up here. I am at the end of the section that I can legally fish at the moment. Call it 2. That's about on par with when I spin fish here, so I'm not sure how bad that is for this spot. I missed my fair share. I mean, there were probably 3 or 4 that I should have had. But this stream will be loaded with some stockies here in about a week. But I will not be here probably till next winter. This is a good spot for me when, you know, everything's closed. This is close to home. Weather wasn't looking the best, so I didn't want to go too far just to get blown out. But it turned out to be a decent day. Caught a ton of fish, just not the target. Caught a lot of fall fish, a lot of chubs. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, definitely like, subscribe. I'll see you next time here on SE Outdoors.